In a recent development, demonstrators affiliated with the Left Party who were protesting against alleged Israeli actions in Palestine were detained by the Bengaluru police at Freedom Park. The incident has sparked condemnation for the protesting groups, which includes the CPI, CPIM and CPI ML. They have expressed strong disapproval of what they characterize as the state government's heavy-handed approach to suppress voices advocating for the rights of the Palestinian people.
ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಲೆಸ್ಟೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ನೆಲೆಸಬೇಕು, ಯುದ್ಧ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಏನು ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಜಾರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ವಿರೋಧಿಯಾದಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಯುದ್ಧ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು, ಶಾಂತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
The protesters have also voiced criticism against the central government for its perceived support of Israel and its apparent departure from the historical stance of unwavering support for Palestine.
We are only demand for peace and justice, sir. But in the meantime, governments are support to this peace and justice. But what they are doing, we don't know that meaning. But in the future, at least we think about our constitution, what they are telling, peaceful democracy and socialism and secularism and everything is there in that our constitution. But this protection is moving only through justice to Palestine people. Palestinian people and the Israel people are suffering for common people. That's a major difference
in the region. This situation underscores the continuing dialogue and activism surrounding the Israel-Palestine conflict, with various parties expressing their opinions and concerns. For more such latest updates on the developing story, subscribe to Daily Salah Digital.